The Starfavor L85 Keyboard Stand offers a furniture-style base that makes compatible Yamaha digital pianos feel more like a traditional upright instrument in a living room or studio. Its dimensions are thoughtfully chosen so that both adults and children can sit comfortably without their legs bumping into the underside while playing. The heavy wooden construction and solid cross support give the stand a reassuring sturdiness that stays stable even during energetic performances. Pre-drilled holes line up accurately with the keyboard, and the included instructions are clear, so assembly is straightforward even for someone not used to putting furniture together. The thick wood panels and smooth black finish help the setup look polished and substantial rather than like a temporary metal stand. For players invested in a compatible Yamaha 88-key digital piano, this stand provides a dedicated, reliable bass that enhances both playability and the overall look of the instrument.